Hello, and thank you for joining us today for WeatherTrack's 2014 Spring Release Overview. As many of you know by now, in 2013, WeatherTrack continued to lead the industry in smart water management, helping our customer base save more than 20 billion gallons of water and racking up many awards and accolades in recognition of our contributions to our customers' sustainability programs. Since 2002, the WeatherTrack technology has been tested and proven in more than 24 independent studies. Those studies have harvested some amazing results, including a 71% runoff reduction proven by the Environmental Protection Agency. The University of Florida, who proved our weather information matched an on-site weather station 98% of the time. And time again, the WeatherTrack technology has proven water savings when tested on sites around the country. But all of that is information that our trusted water management partners already know. Today's meeting is designed to be a spring update that will help our customers understand what WeatherTrack is doing in the spring of 2014 to help them manage their irrigation systems in the most challenging of circumstances. So in today's meeting, we're not going to talk about the WeatherTrack ET Everywhere that calculates ET accurate to the square kilometer. We're not going to talk about the scheduling engine that has proven to reduce runoff by 71%, or the WeatherTrack Central that makes all of these features available online. If you want to hear about WeatherTrack Flow Management or WeatherTrack Mobile, there are trainings available for all of the features that we've previously released. What we want to focus on today is what's new with WeatherTrack. Today's training will focus on the folks who already know WeatherTrack.net, who know that the Manage page is where you go to find what your controller is thinking, and the Alerts tab is where you go to find out what the controller is trying to tell you. Even the Preferences tab, where you sign up for text and email messages about the alerts that your controllers are generating. So today's training is for the folks who already know that. And what we want to focus on today is some of the new features that help us manage our landscapes in the most challenging of circumstances. Specifically, our topic of conversation today will be drought and the new WeatherTrack Drought Manager, where we'll investigate the Drought Manager itself and some of the tools that allow us to manage our systems better in times of water scarcity or water restriction. To accomplish this, we have broken today's meeting down into 5 short recordings that will allow you to choose which sections you want to rewatch or which sections you want to share with a friend. We are quickly coming to the end of the first section called the Introduction to Update. The following 4 sections will correspond with the remaining 4 links from our email. The next section, titled Drought Manager, will look at the new Drought Manager application on WeatherTrack.net that is specifically designed to help our users understand and, more importantly, communicate the challenges that come with managing landscapes and irrigation systems in times of water scarcity. Then, we will look at some of the compliance tools that help our users ensure and verify that all of their sites are being managed according to the local restrictions. After that, we'll highlight some of the tools that WeatherTrack Central, or WeatherTrack.net, provides to help efficiently respond to these challenges. And we will conclude with a quick look at the current hardware offerings from HydroPoint Data Systems to make sure you are up to speed with what WeatherTracks you might see in the field. Once again, thank you for joining us for the WeatherTrack 2014 Spring Update. Up next will be Part 2, the WeatherTrack Drought Manager.